Greetings. So if I'm talking this greeting in German, we call it as Begrüßung. One by one, you have to pronounce. First, Amarnath, please pronounce it Begrüßung.
Begrüßung.
Yeah. This U with two dot, this is your German alphabet, and this beta as well, German alphabet. U with two dot, you have to pronounce as U, and beta as double S. So Sharon, please pronounce it Begrüßung.
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 Yeah, correct. Okay. Now coming for day. Day means Tag. Uh, Listen my pronunciation first, okay? Then one by one we'll do. Day means Tag. Morning is Morgen. Morning is Morgen. Evening means Abend. Abend. Night means Nacht. Nacht. This CH we have to pronounce as Kh sound. Nacht. Today. Today means Heute. Heute. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Morgen. Same as morning. Only the difference is in morning M is capital and in tomorrow M is small. Yesterday. At home we have no gas for cooking. Gas. Turn that gas. Gas. Turn. Gas. Turn. Now day after tomorrow. For an example, if you want to say this, day after tomorrow, we have Uber Morgan. Uber Morgan. U with two dot German alphabet pronounced as U. Amarnath, please pronounce it
It's Übermorgen.
hello.
Oh, yes, yes. Sorry.
Uber Morgan.
Übermorgen.
Yeah. Sharon, repeat. Uber Morgan.
It's Uber Morgan.
Uber Morgan, correct. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday is Vorgestern. Vorgestern. This we have to pronounce as F in German. Please remember Vorgestern.
Vorgestern.
Yeah. Now see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow is bis morgen. Bis morgen. See you later. Bis später. Später. Now one more extra alphabet is there. A with two dot. Here you can check. A with two dot. The sound of this is simple A. You have to pronounce simple A. Später. See you soon. See you soon. We have bis bald. Bis bald. Okay. One by one, we are going to do pronunciation again. First, Sharon, do with me. Tag,
Tag.
Morgen,
Morgen.
Abend,
Abend.
Nacht,
Nacht.
heute,
Heute.
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 Yes, morgen,
Morgen.
gestern,
Gestern.
übermorgen,
Übermorgen.
vorgestern,
What's sir? Vorgestern.
vorgestern, yeah. Bis morgen,
Bis morgen.
bis später,
That is not visible. Bis morgen.
bis später,
Bis später.
bis bald.
Bis bald.
Yeah. Now, Amarnath, do the pronunciation. Tag, hello, Amarnath.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm speaking in mute.
Huh?
Yeah. Tag,
Morgen,
Morgen,
Abend,
Abend,
Nacht,
Nacht,
heute,
Heute,
Morgen,
morgen,
gestern,
gestern,
übermorgen,
übermorgen,
vorgestern,
vorgestern,
bis morgen,
bis morgen,
bis später,
bis später,
bis bald.
bis bald.
Yeah. Now, right. If you want to say for by. Basically, this by we have two methods. First is informal way, and second method we have formal method. Okay, formal. So in informal, you can say as a choose. In informal, you have to pronounce choose.
Schön.
And formal, we have to pronounce as auf Wiedersehen.
Auf
Auf
Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen. Right. Sharon, please repeat. Choose.
It's choose.
Choose. Yeah. And formal
Uh,
method is auf Wiedersehen.
auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Correct. Amarnath, repeat.
Informal it is choose
Hmm.
and formal it is auf Wiedersehen.
Correct. Always remember if in a word I is together, then you have to pressurize on E. On the second alphabet you have to pronounce. Okay. If I is together, then pressurize on. Here you can check. I is together. So
Uh-huh.
doing the pronunciation of E only. Wieder.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Auf
Okay.
Wiedersehen. Yeah. Now coming for thank you. Thank you is vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. This IE
Vielen Dank.
pronounces E. Vielen Dank. Coming for thank you so much. Thank you so much is Danke schön. Danke schön. Repeat this one by one. Sharon, Danke schön.
Danke schön.
Amarnath,
Thank you so much. Danke schön.
correct. Now see separate meaning I am going to tell you. The separate meaning of schön. See. Schön is beautiful. Beautiful. If I am removing these two dots, here you can check two dot is there. If I am removing it, then it will become shown, right? Simple shown.
Yeah.
It means already. Very important vocabulary these two are. Okay, please remember it. And if I'm talking for OV2 dot pronunciation, you have to pronounce a simple EO. EO. Okay. Shion.
Schön.
Yeah. Now please or welcome. For please or welcome, we have beta. Repeat it, beta.
Bitter.
Beta. Sharon,
Bitte.
beta. Most welcome is beta. Shion.
Bitter schön.
Correct. Beta. Shion.
Bitte schön.
Yeah. Now, if you want to say excuse me or sorry, excuse me or sorry. For this, we have the vocabulary Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. You have to pronounce this vocabulary as to break in four parts. Okay, how? Entschuldigung. One by one, you have to pronounce. Amarnath, do the pronunciation.
Excuse me or sorry, it is Entschuldigung.
Yeah, Entschuldigung. Now, Amarnath, sorry, Sharan.
Excuse me. Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung. Correct. Okay. If I'm writing, if you want to say I am, sorry. So for I am sorry, we have S stood mere lied. S stood mere lied. One by one you have to pronounce. Sharon, repeat it. S stood mere lied.
I'm sorry. Ash stood made lied.
Yeah, Amarnath.
I'm sorry, it is yes to mere light.
Correct. S stood mere lied. I am
Stood.
really sorry. Now you can check. Both the vocabulary are same only. Both are same. Only the difference is one really vocabulary is extra here. So if I'm talking this real in German, we call it as wirklich.
English.
Wirklich. This ch we have to pronounce as sh sound. Sh. So it will become as mir wirklich wirklich leid. Es tut mir wirklich leid.
Light.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, please note these all the things.
Okay.
Note. Yeah. Either you can take the screenshot or you can note. It's your choice.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Children, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take the screenshot of this.
Done.
Okay. Now see. What doubt here we are, arises here? The ch I am pronouncing as sure sound. Sure. But for night, I am pronouncing kh sound. Why it is? See, when we have to pronounce sure sound and when kh, see. For ch, two sounds are there. First is kh and second is sh. If if before ch, a, o or u, either a, o or u is present, that time you have to pronounce as kh sound. Kh. If these are not present, then you have to pronounce a sh sound. Sh. For example, uh, okay. So tell me, in first one before ch, a is there, right? A. So I have to pronounce the ch as kh sound. Knocked, knocked. And for
Not.
second one, yeah. For second one, before ch, I is there. I have to pronounce the sh sound. Wirklich, wirklich. Okay.
Workplace.
Yeah. Is it clear, Sharan Amarnath?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now see for done. For done, we have gemacht. Gemacht. Repeat one by one. First, Amarnath. Gemacht.
Gemacht.
Yeah. Sharan.
Done. Gemacht.
Gemacht. If I am taking one more extra vocabulary we have for done, it is fertig. Fertig. Okay. Fertig. This, always remember, IG you have to pronounce as ish sound. IG. 97% cases, or you can say 97%, IG as pronounced as ish sound. Okay. 97. And in very rarely cases, IG will pronounce as IG only ig. Okay. Fertig.
Okay.
Now if I'm talking here in Gemarkt, before CH A is there, CH as K I have to pronounce. Gemarkt. Okay, please note this. Okay, I hope you have completed. And also, please note this one as well.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Now see. Yes. Yes means ja. Yes means ja. This J in German we have to pronounce as Y. Ja.
Yeah.
And no means nine. Simple nine you have to pronounce. Nine. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have done with the basic greetings. Now come to the next part.